I want to talk a little bit about these cases. These are hard cases. If you tighten these knobs up over here, they are waterproof. That's a seal. They are very rugged, durable. This is some hard plastic. Let's jump on in. Like always, there's going to be links down in the description showing you where you can find these. The first one I'm going to show you is this larger one. Has 4 clamps there. And this one's got my Dewalt tire pump in here. So that fits in there super nice. Got the instruction manual in there. I've also got 2 5 amp hour batteries. Now this is also great because here in my RV I've got I need to put these somewhere anyways for other tools and things. I've got a vacuum. This is my charger. Now if you haven't not seen these inserts, it comes with multiple layers. So this bottom one, you can see the impressions there. I have had this in there for a while. The bottom one I have in there is just flat, and then these 2 layers are the same. Now the way that these work, if you're not familiar with them, these are pre-cut. You can see the slits there, and then you basically just I just traced along this with a Sharpie along the edge of what I was gonna be cutting out. And yeah, you just stack those together. It does cut easily, and then your items fit in there. They do have some pre-made cases for this particular air pump on Amazon, but I didn't like the configuration. They had it to where the battery was always in there. I feel like the batteries would probably drain that way. And anyways, I could have fit it in the next size down, but I wouldn't have been able to fit all my accessories. So 2 batteries. This is a Class C motorhome. It's got 6 fairly large tires that need to be pumped all the way up to 80 PSI when they're cold. Let me just show you this other one as well. So like I said, the tire pump would fit in this smaller one. This one only has 2 clamps. I've got a stand-up paddleboard pump. Now you'll notice the top is smushed down so where it closes on there, but I did not use any of the other pieces. I didn't feel like I needed them, so I got my hose. This closes so tight in here that it does not wiggle around. I've got a charger, some gaskets, and then you can see how this is set in there. Looks like I've run it both orientations. I tested several stand-up paddleboard pumps. I'll have a link to this down in the description as well. But anyways, this fits in there. It does go in quite nice. When you're fitting this in there, you just gotta make sure it's not in the way for the door to be able to, the lid to be able to close down. But anyways, like I said, I'll have links down to all of these items in the description. I wanted to go ahead and give a bit of an overview. So you got this pick apart foam. I cut it. You can do so many things with this. This larger one is almost 18 inches by almost 13 by 6 5/8. This next size, this is the next one down. This one is almost 15 by 10 9/16 by 6 11/16. So once again, these are fantastic cases. I'm going to find a way to mount them in the storage portions of the RV so they don't bounce around too much. Really the only thing that I wish that they had was some kind of rubber feet right here when you set them down on something to be a little bit non-slip. I do have some things from furniture that I can pop on there, but that's really my only gripe. I hope you like this review, and these I will say are fantastic.